Welcome to Marc School of Woodworking. My name is Mitch Kohanek. We've got a class going on in shellac and lacquer, and I need to be able to apply some color onto some wood. And this species of wood has a tough time accepting stain by hand, so one of my favorite tools is a spray gun. So we're going to go over to the spray booth and show you how to get your gun set up to do some coloring of some raw wood. Let's go. I've got a gun that I've got some alcohol dye in. Attach that. I'm going to set my spray gun up so it sprays correctly. I want to spray this dye on really light because I don't want to put it on in one application. And that may be all the color you need to find the color you're looking for. A second coat So now I have a wood that would normally blotch, but now it's going to have a really nice color. Then it depends on how many passes you make. When you're shooting a die, it's going to allow you to have much more control of color application on woods that like to splotch or any species of wood you got. Hope you enjoy. Happy spraying.